Hey guys, Justin here of YugaTech, and I'm pretty sure most of you who are watching this video have already heard about Samsung's Galaxy S10 and Note 10 Lite announced in this year's CES. We also know that Samsung will be having an unpacked event on the 11th of February this year to most likely launch and showcase their latest Galaxy S flagships, the Galaxy S20 series. Aside from that, cryptic marketing material also teased the coming of their new clamshell foldable smartphone, the Galaxy Z Flip. But wait, see what just happened there? Talking about Feb 11's Unpacked event kinda overshadowed and took away the hype of the subjects of this video. Which is why most of us in the office can't help but ask each other, is it too late for the S10 and Note 10 Lite? So, the Galaxy S10 and Note 10 Lite devices are actually quite interesting. Other people feel a little offended by the fact that they carry the S10 and Note 10 name but aren't looking at a flagship. With most of us here in the office, it really isn't that much of an issue. To answer the premise of this video, is it too late? Well, it's definitely not. If you ask me, this is actually one of Samsung's smartest decisions. On paper, both these devices are actually very good. Sure, they aren't flagship monsters, but who said that's what the people wanted? To big smartphone manufacturers, what the people want are based off sales. And what was the most well-received device from Apple's latest lineup? That's right, the iPhone 11. The iPhone 11 is basically the iPhone for everyone else in their latest lineup. It's the iPhone with the lowest barrier to entry into the Apple ecosystem. The same thing can be said for its predecessors, the iPhone XR. Samsung and other companies like Google realized this since the XR, which is why with the arrival of the Galaxy S10 series last year, to our surprise, we got the more compact and budget-friendlier Galaxy S10e and the Pixel 3a for Google. The S10e was an amazing alternative for those who didn't have the budget for the S10 or S10 Plus. Pricing aside, if there was any reason people didn't like it, it was because of that compact form factor. Which, yes, we can argue that a number of people do like the compact style, but it didn't really resonate with the majority. Come August, and Samsung did something a little unorthodox once again. For the first time, they released two Note devices to appeal to a bigger market. Galaxy Note users are in this niche market Samsung has basically taken over, which is smartphones that still use a stylus. And at the time, the Note 10 was the cheapest Note device available, and that definitely turned some heads. So, now with the coming of their Lite variants, users should look at those two devices and think those are the 10Rs and 11s of Samsung's S10 and Note 10 series, or even its S20 and Note 20 series devices for this year. Here in the office, we predict that those two Lite devices will be Samsung's cash cow for this year, stealing the show for those looking for an Android device in the mid to upper mid-range market this 2020. We expect these devices to be released somewhere in the world by January 23 and totally can't wait to show you guys our reviews for both. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy S10 and Note 10 Lite? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Justin, and I'll see you soon!